channel. I am back again with a wig install. This time it is a U-part wig. You see how natural it looks. It looks like I just freshly blow dried my hair. I am loving how this looks. Okay, so this is 22 inches and it is the Kinky straight, and this 22 inches comes to about, you know, waist length on me, and in the back comes almost to my butt in the back. So yeah, if you are interested on how I got this look with this hair that is so beautiful, this hair is so soft, y'all, so soft. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. So the wig that we're going to be unboxing today is from Jessie's selection. Thank you guys again for sending me some hair. So let's see what we got here. I'm over here dropping stuff. So they sent me the wig, of course, and then I also got a wet brush, which is really cool. I've been wanting to try one of those. A pair of lashes, which are super pretty, and a wig cap, always handy, and how to take care of the hair. So I'm going to show you the inside. This is what the inside looks like. It has 4 caps at the top here, and then 2 caps on the combs on the side and 1 comb on the bottom, and then of course it has the adjustable straps to make it smaller if you need to. So yeah, it looks like it's gonna fit really snug, really secure. I'm probably gonna cut this off because I don't know what to do with it. I can't part my hair with that in there, so I'm gonna cut it off, co-wash it, and I'll be back. We're back. I know I look crazy, but don't mind me. So I'm just gonna start by cutting off these little things here. I don't understand why they're on here in the first place, but we're gonna cut that off. So today I'm going for a side part, so we're just gonna put our wig on to the side.
Damn, Mizzy Mari got beats.
Alright, so it's very snug and secure to my head. It doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. No tension, none of that. So that's a good sign. Now we're gonna work on this leave out.
Mizzy Mari got beats.
Here I'm just spraying some spray wax just because I don't have a wax stick. Really does the same thing for me, just gonna help to smooth down any flyaways. All right, so now that I got that, look how natural it's looking. Like her hair is just freshly blown out. Okay, clip that back to work on these edges. I guess I could have pulled some hair out right here. Just pull some hair out. Ignore my ugly facial expressions because heat on my edges makes me nervous, okay? And yeah, sorry if I'm ugly, but oh well. It is what it is. So now I'm gonna take my edge control and go to work.
Damn, Mizzy Mari got beats.
All right. So now I'm gonna just lightly go through the front with the flat iron just to, you know, smooth that out a little bit. Just a little bit. You guys, and here is the final look. It is so pretty, y'all. It looks so natural. And this is the back. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video.